Hi friends, now I am going to discuss the more question related to process safety management. The planning, the question number 14, the planning for power outage includes. So planning means any outage means the power will be suppose not available in the emergency part. So we can have a use of generators and we can have the very big industrial UPS to provide the emergency power. We can have that. Now we see the question number 15. The tank level gauges can be made more reliable through. So tank level gauges will be there. So proper testing and maintenance, we can make the tank level gauges more reliable. So this is the right answer as we discussed during the class. So this is the correct answer. So now we see the question number 16. Which of the following would be the highest priority to discuss during the shift handover? So highest priority to discuss during the shift handover part. So we can have a communication radio. Okay, this is also looks plant logbook signed by the outgoing operator. This also looks good. Then emergency shutdown system or bypass and safe operating envelope parameter in alarm. If we see that the most highest priority, so highest priority I need to discuss the emergency shutdown system on bypass. So among the four options, the highest priority is the emergency shutdown because in the first shift, any emergency shutdown was there or not. That we need to see and we need to analyze that why it was there and how it was there. Yes. So this is the right answer is there. Now we see the management of change control measure include. So like MOC procedure we have. So what are the control measures include that? The formal documented system developed to identify the required modification, correct? The required for a full hazard and risk analysis exercise that is also required on implication of change. Then process for all changes to be authorized by a competent person and where safety critical devices are to removed, sanctioned and signed off by senior management. All changes to process plant or designed correctly, documented for the process knowledge retention, correct? This is also the right answer. Consult and inform those affected by the changes, both operational and changes to key workers, that is also correct. Training program implemented where necessary, that also will be considered, that part. So all the options are the correct answer are there. And in the MOC, remember this is the way the MOC, this is a basic control measure of the MOC is there. Then we see the question number 18. What are the key feature of permit to work include? If you see our permit to work video, you will find all the information. Then scope of the work, the duration of the work, the known hazard and references to risk assessment to be considered, isolation of any energy sources of process equipment like LOTO, and link to other permit if any simultaneous work is going on, specification of person accepting permit and verification of their understanding, then emergency controls, specific controls like gas testing also can be considered. So then question number 19, dividing a building into fire resistance compartment to limit the spread of smoke and fire is an example of which type of fire protection. So we are going to have a compartment while we are having this. So we have the two type of a system. One is the active fire protection system. Another one is the passive fire protection system. For example, there is a holiday in the plant like Sunday and no one is available, or in the night time no one is available. So how the active fire protection system not working, for example? So then the company will make as a fire safety basic fundamental part the passive fire protection system also to be made. Then the passive fire protection, the compartmentation is a example of the passive fire protection system. Yes, the shift handover must be. Then we see the question number 20. So we select the multiple option in this. So given the highest priority true and it may be conducted. Yeah, first priority we should give if possible always face to face. Yes, and undertaken using accurate verbal and the written communication and based on the analysis of the information needs of incoming staff and given as much time as necessary to allow for questioning, explanation, and the clarification that will be considered. So these are the 20 questions I have discussed. Kindly share with your friends, like, subscribe, and comment for the learning purpose. Thank you for watching this video.